Your beloved dog is scratching their ears nonstop, shaking their head, or even tilting it strangely. You might think it's just a little itch, but the truth is, those ears could be hiding infections, wax buildup, or even more serious issues that, if left untreated, could affect their hearing and overall health. Hi, today I'm going to show you exactly how to clean your dog's ears safely at home, when to see the vet, and how often you should do it depending on whether your furry friend is a playful puppy, an adult, or a senior dog. Stay with me because your dog's ears might just tell you more about their health than you think. First, let's understand why dog ears are so important. Unlike human ears, a dog's ear canal is long and L-shaped, which means wax, dirt, and moisture can easily get trapped. This makes them prone to infections and irritation. Breeds with floppy ears, like Cocker Spaniels or Basset Hounds, are especially vulnerable, while breeds with erect ears, like German Shepherds or Siberian Huskies, usually have better air circulation but still need regular care. Cleaning their ears isn't just about hygiene, it's about preventing pain, infections, and even hearing loss. Now, when it comes to frequency, it depends on your dog's age and lifestyle. Puppies usually have very sensitive ears. For them, you might only need to clean their ears once a month unless they get into water or dirt often. Adult dogs, especially those who swim regularly, may need ear cleaning every 2 to 3 weeks, and senior dogs whose skin and cartilage may be more delicate should be checked weekly but clean only when necessary to avoid irritation. The key is to observe. Look for redness, bad odor, discharge, or excessive scratching. These signs mean it's time for a cleaning or even a visit to your vet. Let's start with puppies. Puppies' ears are delicate, so gentle care is crucial. Begin by gently inspecting the ear with a calm voice to avoid stress. Use a vet-approved ear cleaning solution. Never use alcohol or hydrogen peroxide, as these can damage their sensitive skin. Apply the solution, massage the base of the ear for about 20 to 30 seconds, and let your puppy shake their head. It's normal and helps loosen wax. Then wipe the outer ear with a soft cotton ball. Remember, never insert anything deep into the canal. Keep it positive, offer treats and praise, turning ear cleaning into a bonding experience. Adult dogs often have more wax buildup, especially if they're active outdoors or swim regularly. Start by checking for signs of infection, redness, foul odor, or thick discharge. If you notice these, it's best to consult your vet before cleaning. Otherwise, use a similar vet-approved solution. Apply it into the ear canal, gently massage, let your dog shake, and wipe the ear with a clean cotton ball. For adult dogs, consistent cleaning every 2 to 3 weeks is enough for most breeds. Be careful with floppy ears. These trap moisture, which is a breeding ground for bacteria. Senior dogs require extra care. Their skin is thinner, and ear canals may narrow with age, making them more prone to infections. Inspect the ears weekly and clean gently only if wax or debris is visible. Use warm, not hot ear solution and avoid deep cleaning. Never force anything into the ear canal, as older dogs are more sensitive. If you notice persistent redness, swelling, or foul odor, that's a signal to see your vet immediately. The goal is maintenance, not aggressive cleaning. No matter the age, there are certain warning signs that should never be ignored. If your dog has constant head shaking or tilting, red, inflamed ears, foul smell, or unusual discharge, signs of pain when you touch the ear, these could be indicating infections, mites, or even more serious issues. Home cleaning won't solve these problems, so take your dog to the vet. Early intervention can save your dog from pain and prevent chronic ear issues. Here's a quick step-by-step approach for safe ear cleaning at home. Gather supplies, vet-approved ear cleaning solution, cotton balls or gauze, and treats. Keep your dog calm and secure. Use a soft towel if needed. Gently lift the ear flap and inspect the ear. Apply the solution into the ear canal, usually 3 to 5 drops for small dogs, a bit more for larger breeds. Massage the base of the ear for 20 to 30 seconds and let your dog shake their head. This is natural and helps remove debris. Then wipe the outer ear with a clean cotton ball. Remember, never insert anything deep into the canal. Keep it causative, offer treats and praise, turning ear cleaning into a bonding experience. Always clean in a well-lit area and stay calm. Dogs respond to your energy. The calmer you are, the calmer they will be. Never use alcohol, hydrogen peroxide, or Q-tips deep inside the ear. Avoid cleaning if the ear is bleeding, swollen, or severely infected. See a vet. Keep the solution at room temperature. Cold liquids can shock sensitive ears. Maintain a regular schedule based on your dog's age and activity level. Remember, ear cleaning is not just hygiene, it's part of your dog's health routine. When done correctly, it prevents infections, keeps your dog comfortable, and strengthens your bond. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more vet-approved tips to keep your furry friend healthy and happy. Comment below, how often do you clean your dog's ears? And do you have a special trick that works for your pup? I'd love to hear your stories. And remember, a little care today can save your dog from discomfort tomorrow.